put in all this work. Today we get to play, man. Show what the f*** we're about tonight.
Bright time, bright lights, big stage. Let's have some fun tonight. Show this world what we're all about.
Hey, it's prime time. They can't handle us. They cannot handle what we got on this team. So bring your best today. And if you want it, let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Be great on three. 1, 2, 3. Be great.
And McLaurin is wide left, first down, straight eye. Peterson back in the game.
On first down, play action for Keeney, back to pass, in trouble.
Ball's out. Case Keenum dropped it. Vikings ball.
Danielle Hunter sacked him, stripped it. It is Minnesota ball at the Washington 46-yard line.
Defense is really doing their job. The offense just has to pick it up. 2nd and 5 Minnesota from its own 30. Cousins shotgun, it's a screen right to Dalvin, gets a nice block from Bradbury, turns it up 35-40.
That'll be a first down and a pickup of 15 with a minute and a half and 3 timeouts for Minnesota. 1st and 10 Minnesota at their own 45. Cousins back to pass out of the pocket. He fires left. It's complete, caught by the rookie B.C. Johnson to the 40-yard line.
First down for the Vikings. It's a screen left to Dalvin. It might be a nice one. Turns it over 35-30.
Up the numbers to the 30. Cuts inside to the 25.
Heads down to the 15 to the 10. Still going. Hello. Dalvin's out of bounds at the 8-yard line.
Boy, that was dynamic.
A 31-yard screen where Dalvin covered more ground than Lewis and Clark. Here we go. 3rd and goal from the 4. Cousins shotgun, Cook to his left. The handoff goes to Dalvin, walks up to the 5, to the 3, to the 2, to the end zone. Yes! Dalvin got in, touchdown! Go!
Good job, baby. I told you, man. Keep doing his thing.
That's their best shot right there.
Tell you what I tell you.
Hey, you saw leading the way, Garrett.
Yeah, what they call, I'm in there.
Yeah, we're in there.
The hell with 2 minutes. Every touch. Okay? That's it. That's not going in there.
Washington 2nd and 6, the Minnesota 30. Under center is Haskins.
On 2nd down in Vikings territory, the rookie throws it over the middle. Intercepted by Anthony Harris.
Anthony Harris comes up with a pick. Harris comes up with his 3rd interception of the season.
At first, I thought he was going to miss it. I was like this. And I was like, oh, he about to catch it. Because I was going for the hit. And then I said, oh, he about to touch that.
Hey, first game, you came out on fire. Haven't seen you since. I'm glad you're back. Hey, teach him how to catch.